Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn about how to design a button using Bootstrap. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we're going to open our Visual Studio Code, and after that we're going to use any of your favorite browser. And here we're going to search about Bootstrap and we'll come over this website called Bootstrap. And from here we're going to copy this over here and going to paste it into this head section by simply this. And then we can simply save it. After that we can simply type over here Bootstrap button. So we can simply type over here Bootstrap button and then click on the buttons, and then we can select any of buttons as we like. We're going to copy this code over here. We can simply copy it and come over into Visual Studio Code and going to give it into the body. And after that here we're going to change with subscribe and going to give the btn primary, so we're going to give it as a subscribe. Then we can simply save it, and now if you open the live server, as you can see the subscribe button is showing over here. So yeah, this is how we can simply add Bootstrap button in your HTML file by using CSS. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.